Hey, what's going on YouTube? And thank you guys for tuning back into Mike Malone TV. Today we got something a little bit different for you guys. We're going to be recycling cans, bottles, plastics, glass, all that good stuff. Actually at a customer's house and I was doing a job for them. I was doing a dump run and they said, hey Mike, I got a whole bunch of recycles in my backyard and I was wondering if you were interested in taking them for free. To me, that's a no-brainer. Free money, who wouldn't turn that down? So, of course, I went to the backyard after the job and I got everything. So I'm about to show you guys how much I got and how much is in the back of my trailer. Right now it looks like I have probably about a half trailer full. My trailer size is 8 feet by 4. So I'm hoping to probably get, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks out of it. It looks like I have a lot. I'm making this video because it seems like there's a lot of these videos going around on YouTube where people are seeing how much money they make recycling. As well as a lot of homeless people. Some people want to get an idea about how much they make a day and how much work it takes to actually get those cans. Luckily for me, all the cans were already in the same area, so I didn't have to dig through garbage cans and all that good stuff that the homeless people do on the daily. I know it's a struggle, it's a dirty job. I was just at the customer's house and I was pulling a trash can, yeah, like a trash can full of cans, and I was dragging it out to my trailer, and a freaking rat crawled up my arm, went on my shirt. I had to slap it off and it scared the shit out of me. I don't know what this guy's doing, but I'm trying to make my video. And so anyways, I'm about to go to the back right now, unload, and we'll be back with you guys shortly. All right, bye. How much do you guys normally get for these cans?
What you're buying in?
Just on an average day?
$100.
About 100 bucks?
Between a bad day, 75, good days, $200.
200 bucks? Holy crap. And how long does it take you guys to get it?
5 hours, you get $250.
5 hours? Holy crap. How much do you think I have in my trailer over there?
How far is it filled that high all the way up?
Yeah.
Mostly cans or plastic?
Yeah, it's mostly aluminum.
Most aluminum, probably a little over $100, around 100 bucks.
100 bucks? Yeah. Not bad. I'm about to pull this all the way over there. Hope I don't get hit by a car. People are freaking zooming by me. Got to get this money today, boy. So as you can hear, well, I don't know if you heard, but those guys said that they make between 100 bucks and 200 bucks a day. 100 bucks on a bad day, 200 bucks on a good day. 200 bucks. I might be in the wrong business, guys. And he said it takes about 5 hours. So anyways, we got these cans. About to sort them all out. Aluminum, glass, and plastic. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, just a quick update. I'm about halfway through. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 cans full. And you can see there's still a lot left to do and to sort out. So stay tuned, and here we go. So I must say I have a lot of respect for the homeless because this is actually hard. It's taken a long time to sort these out. I've been out here for at least 20-25 minutes, and that's not even counting the time that they're in the garbage can, you know, searching for everything. So I got to give them respect when it's needed. So I mean, it's a job. This is what they do every single day. Anyways, stay tuned. All right guys, after about 45 minutes, I'm not even joking, 45 minutes, to sort all these out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 11 cans. So I'm about to drag them over there to the scale. We're about to get paid and see how we did today.
Start bringing the rest forward and be ready.
Okay. So all the aluminum right there. About 3.5. Got the total over there. That's the man right there. Thank you, buddy. You too. All right, guys, so the results are in. You guys ready? See how much I made today. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, $74. Wow, I'm rich. Well, there you have it, guys. I made myself $74 today in about an hour and a half, but that's only because a customer already had them ready in their backyard. Like I said before, I have so much respect for the homeless now that I know, how difficult it is to make money actually recycling. That was, a half a trailer, and to me, I don't think I could personally find that much in a whole day. So for that guy to say that he makes sometimes 200 bucks in a day, like, much respect to him and everybody out there who had to do that to get by. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little different. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me and it'll help me out. Stick around for more future videos on my channel. It might be a vlog, it might be a recycling video, it might be a cooking video, it might be a gambling video. I don't know. I'm just trying to come up with new ideas and new things for you guys. So once again, thank you guys very much for checking out the channel. My name's Mike Malone, and this is Mike Malone TV, and thank you guys. See you guys later.